first time ever.
Falling acts of terror.
Unexpected. We are ready to engage with a two-state solution.
Some of his most senior cabinet members.
Advise us of a new economic age.
2025 news, where a Hyundai i20 car bomb exploded outside the Red Fort in Delhi. 13 people died, many were injured. The attack was planned by 3 doctors from Falah University in Faridabad. Dr. Umar Nabi, 28, drove the bomb car. Dr. Muzammil Ahmed Kanai helped plan the target. Dr. Shahid sent instructions. Now they were all part of a larger plan to use 32 car bombs in Delhi. The group had links to Jaish-e-Mohammed and a handler in Turkey called Ukasa. Now let's understand how smartly they used the interface that has been banned in India. The app they used was Threema. Now this Threema is a Swiss messaging app launched in 2025. It costs $4.99, just one-time payment. What are the key features? First, no phone number or email is needed, only a random 8-digit ID. End-to-end encryption is there. Messagings are logged on the sender's phone and unlocked only on the receiver's end. No metadata stored. Now this means who spoke to whom and when is deleted after the delivery. So this is a perfect forward secrecy. Each chat uses a new key. Now there is an open source code checked by experts every year. Private server option is there. Users can run their own servers. It has self-destruct messages. It can disappear after a set time. Now India banned Threema in 2023 under the IT Act because terror groups were using it to communicate safely. How the doctors use it even after this app is banned in Delhi? They access Threema using VPNs, APK files downloaded from outside India. Bitcoin payments, they shared maps of Red Fort, bomb making details, voice notes with coded instructions, and examples from recovered chats are like target gate number 3, time 7:15 p.m. 32 units ready, wait for Ukasa. Now how India responded? The National Investigation Agency NIA and Delhi Police acted fast. They raided Falah University, seized phones and recovered Threema messages. Arrested 5 people including these 3 doctors, a professor and even 1 student. Now money trails led to Dubai. A room at university, room number 13, was used for planning. Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah said the accused would face the strictest punishments. Falah University was suspended and is under review. The Red Fort today, the explosion left a mark, but the monument stands strong. India's security teams stopped a bigger attack. There is no doubt about it, and this case certainly shows how these banned apps can still be used and how law enforcement can track them down. I never heard about this app ever before, but that's all from my side in this video. Do share your thoughts on the governance as an important strategic perspective on our comment section. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.